Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2017 Ram 5500 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive 6.7 Cummins diesel. It's got 224,000 miles on it. This is a one-owner truck out of South Carolina. Has no rust. It belonged to Cummins. It was one of their service trucks. When we got it in, the engine was knocking. So we put a long block in it. Bought it new from Dodge. I think it's got a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. I'd have to double check that. I've got all the paperwork on it. I'll have the for sure info on that. I just can't remember off the top of my head what it is, what the warranty is on it anyways. We put the long block in it. I think we put 2 new fuel injectors in it too. The bed and the body of this truck are just in immaculate condition. This is probably up there with one of the nicer trucks we've had since we've been doing this. And we've been doing it about 10 years now. So we put new tires on it. Everything works like it should. It's got a new wireless CarTech remote. I'll walk around and show it to you. It does have all the DPF EGR in place. It's all stock and original. Hydraulic air compressor. It's got 14 hours on it. Power inverter, air hose, reel. Power windows, power door locks. finish up.
Truly care about selling quality vehicles and giving exceptional service. Fenton Nissan off Highway 78.
Alright, so if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship this truck anywhere to you in the United States. If you decide to go that route, normally a truck like this is about $1.50, $1.75 a mile to ship. And just know that we're a dispatcher, so basically what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going wherever you're located, we'd like to take it for you. I don't have somebody just sitting here at the ready as soon as you leave out with it, or as soon as you pay for it to leave out with it. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it's longer. If you're out in the middle of nowhere, it's probably going to take a little longer. Sometimes people pick them up right away. Just know, like I said, if you're one of the guys, you got to know the exact second somebody's going to pick it up, the exact second they're going to get there with it. The only way to know that is to come pick it up in person. What you're welcome to do, we're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4 only. We're not open on the weekends at all. And if you do come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. I can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. We obviously spent a lot of money on this truck. It's not a cheap truck. Which truck prices are absolutely outrageous, which I had to buy some yesterday. And of course, I can buy any truck I want to buy. But I also want my customers to get a good deal. This ain't a $150,000 truck. It's not a $130,000 truck. And there's people asking outrageous prices for these things. Like I said, I could buy those trucks and sell them if I wanted to. But I also want my customers to get a good deal. And there's so many trucks out there right now that aren't good deals. But at the end of the day, we sell trucks to sell again. We've got a lot of repeat customers. I've got a customer in Washington State that's bought 28 trucks from me over the past probably 3 years. So, anyways, had to go off on that tangent. But anyways, if you're interested, give me a call, 256-310-6852, heavymetalauto.com. Again, it's a 17 Ram 5500 two-wheel drive truck, 224,000 miles on it, Southern truck. Just a really, really nice truck. We put a long block in it from Dodge, had the head checked, put 2 fuel injectors in it, and it's ready to go. So 5,000 pound crane, hydraulic air compressor, toolbox, slide out toolbox, just a really nice truck. Thanks for watching.